Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. G, and my reaction for Tensei Star Slime Datta episode 18. That time I got reincarnated as a slime. So, diplomatic things happen. A lot of them happen in the last episode, and yeah, the slime, overpowered slime, are doing his best to govern the Jura Tempest Federation forests. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I think in this episode too, we're just gonna get some kind of build up for the next conflict to come. Yeah, I mean, essentially in the last episode is we were getting introduced to the player of the next conflict. So I hope we get more information in this episode and maybe some more exciting build up to the I don't know what's gonna happen in the next arc. At least there is a what is called again Chabraida. I mean the mythical things that they want to release, but I think that's far in the future. Okay, not now. So okay, episode 18, 3 and 2 and play. Oh, opening. Milmin. She's a kid. Okay, she's a kid. Oh yeah, there's these stupid people too that really not gonna punish. Are you sure? Who are you? So? So what if you were something? So? Ah, so you wanna try something? Jealousy then. Um, so you have some kind of common sense. Good then. Oh, but you still want to try something stupid. So, what are you gonna do then? Control your anger, asshole. Ah, the clan people. Yeah. Oh, oh, he's on the opening. Footman. Moderate harlequin. Yeah. You guys gonna give them power? Clown. Clown, man. Clown are dangerous. What? Biscuiters. Hmm. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's a really good proposition right there. I felt sorry for his underling. Yeah, that one, Caribdis. Think of it, that thing is on the opening then, so it's gonna be the final episode of the season. Well, don't listen to them. Don't make a pact with the devil. Don't. Of course not. Of course not. Yep, yep, yep. So what are these Harlequin alliance then? Are they some kind of Akatsuki in this world? Chaos. Yeah. Ah. Mhm. No, I mean they want you to be part of it. Yeah, you're gonna do it. Yeah, of course. The story not gonna move forward if you're not gonna do it. Just leave him. Yep, just leave him. Just leave him. Nah, you seem like a good guy, but you have very deep issue with your pride. Things like that never gonna go well. If you don't have enough humility. Yeah, he's not full, but power, man, it can blind you. Well, do it then, man. Do it. I'm curious to see. Ooh, Sion, man. Yeah, you're one. Well, yeah. Ah, old man. What is that small thing? Is it a soap? Nah, he's just enjoying things now. Yeah. Well, the hobgoblin. What's his name again? Hey, you're on a. You're on duty, man. It's okay. It's okay, man. Oh, you already have a freaking armor and thing. Nah, what's that? Is it soft, isn't it? I just put purple there. Hmm. That's an adult, man. That's an adult. I'm really not appreciating that that framing. Come on, man. I don't need to see an old man ass. You just give us the money to build it. Negotiation. You're getting better at that. Yeah, you should go, man. They're not gonna um, taking a problem with that at all. You're freaking slime. Hmm. All right. What? Jojo's gonna come out? Something bizarre. Is Jotaro's gonna ora ora ora? Oh. Whoa. Why? 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 So. All right. All right. You must die then. You must die. Yeah. You must die. It means you as you in person gonna disappear. Mm. Mm. But you need to die. So are you to die? He need to die, or he need to merge his soul and very being with that Charybdis. Is this gonna be the same as Greatling, from Full Metal Alchemist? Is it the same case? I mean, to make a comparison. Clown, man. Oh, so that Charybdis is gonna be Lesser Dragon. The statue. Oh, crap. she get, she get. I mean, mm. Oh, oh, why? Ah, well, that's the, yeah. Oh, her her hair. Oh, all right. Wow, so the Charybdis is gonna show up. I thought that's gonna be the monster for the end game, you know. Hmm. Yeah. Oh. Ruler of the skies. Rimuru, maybe you should faster up the process of you analyzing veldora, you know. What? Well, yeah, just I'm gonna say that. So, yeah, well, well, well then. Um, I still cannot believe that the lizard woman turned into a real woman. Like, holy shit. Lesser dragon. Um, like, sharknado. Well, fight then. Of course, fight. Yeah, help us, milmin sama. Oh, why? Why? Yeah, I mean, I think, yeah. Well, at least you guys have ace in the hole. Ace card, you know. Okay, defeat it. Well, I mean, nice. The music really not suitable, man, for this scene. Um, um, yeah. So he said it. He said it. All right, let's do this then. Um, which is yeah. Cool. So okay, all right. The city of Rimuru, Sharknado, Calamity Class. Nah, it's Sharknado, man, and their mother. Anyway, ending song. Okay, so that's the episode 18 of Tensei Star Slam Datta Ken. Yeah, my prediction, all of my prediction go go away. There's nothing, there's not one that right at the anyway. So the character is gonna be their main villain for the next maybe 3 or 4 episodes. I mean, yeah, I guess it's gonna be like that. So there is this stupid underling of Demon Lord that wants to subdue the Charybdis. So he succeeded then. If the Charybdis already awakened, so it must be he succeed subduing the power of the Charybdis. But is his personality is still there, or is it just become, because they say it is they cannot reason with that monster, it is an unthinking creature. I guess so. I guess they say that. I mean, I need to see that again. But anyway, that Charybdis is also a son of Veldora. So this is another family matters, and anyway, it makes me it's funny to saw that the Charybdis have a little sharknado as his minion, So yeah, that's also interesting to watch what happens next. And I think the bigger problem is that harlequin people, the clown people. I mean, they seems like to wants to control things, and make a chaos everywhere. So I think they are the underling of another demon lord, which I forget the name is, but we already knew that they are they are the underling of the demon lord. So yeah, this episode it is preparation to to a certain extent, and some kind of setup for the next uh, episode. Of course, I mean, so yeah, there's nothing much to it besides the interesting thing to hear that Veldora have a son, and how the Rimur is gonna control that. I mean, Rimur gonna do it. The question the question is, how many how his underling the Kijin and Hobgoblin and stuff are how they're gonna handle that too. That's gonna be the interesting thing to watch. when the fight happened. So yeah, that's my reaction for Tensei Star Slam that Tekken episode 18. Like my video, like my reaction, comment below what you think, and if it's worth your time, of course, subscribe if you want. Shane.